Tired of working all day? Do you want an all-out fun and enjoyment on your vacation?
Then come and visit us at JMJ Bio Resort here at Poblacion, Santol, La Union.
Lots of things to do. Swimming, playing, and a lot more.
Enjoy the pool with your friends.
After a tiring day, all you need to do is rest. We will accommodate you with our comforting rooms. So what are you waiting for? Be with us at JMNJ Bio Resort. For inquiries and reservations, please contact the name posted.